Goofy Roofy. There's your pretty sister. Tucker! Bosco! Shelby! Shelby, come here! Charles! Hi, Barley. Your friend Max, he's a character, you know. Huckleberry, what are you doing up there with the Max? Charles, what are you doing? Hi, Rufus. Hi, Misty. Hi, Wilson. You coming in the Greyhound room? Come on, guys. Come on, guys. Huckleberry. Huck's like, I got the right idea. I'm standing on the other side of the curtain. What are you doing? What are we doing? Barley? Ah, they just realized somebody's coming in our room. Max, come on! Rufus, why are you so mean to your sister? Come on! Why you take that from him, pretty girl? Why? Come on. Saul? Hi. Saul. 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 Shelb, come here. Hi, Charles. You just smudged the camera.